The favorite buttons in your BMW are there to quickly access operating system or iDrive functions. These functions can be, for example, navigation destinations, contacts, media sources, or points in the iDrive menu. To save a function, first select it, then press and hold the desired button 1 to 8 until a signal sounds. When you touch the favorite buttons with your finger, the button assignment is displayed at the top edge of the screen. Press the button to call up the function directly. The favorite buttons can be overwritten at any time. Just press and hold the respective favorite button while the new function you would like to save is active. If you would like to unassign all favorite buttons, just hold the first and last button for a few seconds and press OK to unassign all favorite buttons. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.